Okay, students, today we will start a new chapter that is called file handling. For that, I will put one question to Ishpreet. Unmute yourself.
हाँ जी सर.
Tell me one thing. Ki suppose I declare one variable
Yes sir.
x is equal to 10. I close the Python and later on, is it possible to assess the value of x again?
सर अगर आपने पाइथन क्लोज किया है
Yes,
तो
बच्चे.
यस सर पॉसिबल ही है.
नहीं मैंने
नहीं सर, अगर आपने पाइथन क्लोज कर अगर सर आपने उसको मतलब कि ऐसे क्लोज किया है फिर तो नहीं पॉसिबल. सेव किया है देन पॉसिबल है.
okay, students. Now variables that is for a short period. Short period means it will be saved in a RAM whenever you are executing the program. Whenever you close the program, everything that is saved in the RAM will be washed out. It means later on, if you want to assess that particular variable again, you will have to declare that variable, and then you can have to you can use that. So it means any information saved in your variables are for a short period. There is one doubt. Sushant, yes, Vache. Sushant,
सर आपके माइक से आवाज आ रही है सर, वो थोड़ी सी लग रही है.
echo voice.
नहीं सर, वो जैसे माइक नहीं हिलता तब वो ऐसी आवाज आ रही है.
I think voice is clear, better. Chalo, anyway, continue the lecture, better. Now, if we want to store the data for a long period, it means I want to store the data. Suppose I'm using one data, I can store it for future reference. It means tomorrow I want to access that data. I can. So this is called file handling. It means we can store the data in external files. Okay, it means with the help of Python coding, we can store the files in we can store the data in files, maybe text file, maybe notepad files. So this is the concept of file. Now, file handling, there are uh, three type of files which we will deal in this chapter. Number one, text files. Number two, binary files. Number three, comma separated value files. So these are the three type of files uh, we will use with the help of file handling concept. So we will start with the text file. Student, text files are those files which are user readable format, which are in user readable format. It means we open the file, we can read the text as we easily we can read the text. But remember one thing, whenever this type of file saved in the hard disk, the format will be different. It means when we open the file, there is conversion from binary format to high level format. It means whatever we saved in any file is saved in the shape of a bit and byte. It means in the shape of binary format. It means whenever we open any file, text file, it will be a readable format, but in hard disk the format is different, it means there is a conversion from binary to high level language. So this conversion take time. So it is a time consuming process. Now in text files, we can create, uh, if we want to write something, we want to write something or we read something. First of all, we will have to open the file. Open the file in which we want to write or read data. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप फाइल में डाटा को रीड भी कर सकते हो, फाइल में डाटा को राइट भी कर सकते हो. तो उसके लिए यू विल हैव टू ओपन द फाइल. नाउ फॉर opening the file, we will have to give two things: file name and mode. The mode is, we will have to tell the Python whether you want to open the file in a reading mode or writing mode. So there are different modes that are available. So first of all, I will discuss, there is one mode that is called W mode. In W mode, we can write the data in the file. और जब भी आप फाइल में राइट करोगे डाटा, अगर फाइल नहीं बनी हुई, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, फाइल विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड बाय सिस्टम. तो सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली उसको क्रिएट कर लेगा. तो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे एक सिंपल प्रोग्राम बना रहा हूँ पाइथन में. So look at here. I will take here one file pointer. So I take here f is equal to open. Name of the file is new.txt. Then W is here for writing the data. This is file mode. W is a file mode. New text is a new.txt is a name of the file in which I want to write the data. Open is a function and F is a representing the file. इसका मतलब फ्यूचर में जहां पे मैं F को रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा, इसका मतलब वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, इस फाइल को, क्योंकि आपने इसको फाइल को ओपन किया है इस मोड में. तो दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टेप. Ishpreet, this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now, next is, if you want to write the data, there are different functions. But first of all, I will use here f dot write. I type here, this is computer period. Beta, I use here f dot. It means I am going to write the data in file f. F किसको represent कर रहा है, new.txt file को. After writing the data, remember one thing, you will have to close the connection. Open function will create the connection and close function will close the your connection. If you will not close, the Python automatically closes. But remember one thing, for better coding, you must close the connection. I am saving this file in desktop. File name is my file. I save this file. Now look at here. In desktop, there is no any file with name new. Look at here. आप desktop में आप file भी देखोगे, कोई भी file यहाँ पे new name से नहीं बनी हुई. Okay. So now I am going to execute the program. I am going to run this program. So there is no any error, and you will see in desktop there is one file automatically created by Python or by system. I open the file in Notepad and look at here. This is computer period. It means with the help of Python coding, I write the data in the file. Is it clear, students? Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Give the answer. Concept is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come here.
Yes, sir.
Kshitij. Manvia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now I discussed here write function. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या डिस्कस कर दिया, एक write function. तो write function में जो भी डेटा होगा वो फाइल में write हो जाएगा. Suppose I use here, I want to change the line, so I can use here /n. So multiple time I can use write function. It is on you how you can use this in the loop. Loop में भी आप use कर सकते हो आप इसको. For write profile, W stand for write. There is a one drawback. अगर आप second time same program execute करोगे, data overwrite हो जाएगा. So this is a drawback of a write function. I am saving this file and running this program again. Look at here. Execution is successfully. I implemented this program, and now in the file, I open the file again. Look at here. Previous data will be deleted. New data will be added. So this is write mode. पर याद रखो बेटा, अगर मैं राइट मोड की जगह यहाँ पे आई एम यूजिंग ए मोड. ए मोड स्टैंड फॉर अपेंड. अपेंड मींस previous data will remain as it is on the file. It means data insertion will be after at the end of the file. Write function में क्या होता है, data writing process beginning से start होता है, पर append mode में data writing end of the file शुरू होता है. इसका मतलब previous data will remain as it is on the screen and new data will be added. So look at here, I am running the program again. Execution is there. I open the file. Look at here. This is computer period again. Again, data is written there. Line is not changed because I am not using /n after I am doing Python. I have not used /n. So there, this is the difference between append mode and write mode. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Difference between append mode and write mode.
So when we use the write mode, if we execute the data second time, the data rewrites itself. That is, the first execution is not there. But when we use append mode, the data remains there for the first and second execution both.
The best way for explaining this is that in the write mode, data we can write the data from the beginning of the file, starting of the file. But in append mode, data writing work will be from the end of the file. तो file के end से ही writing work शुरू होता है. This is the main difference. Good work, beta. Now, next is, if I am using this in the loop, so look at here. I use here one variable and I get input from user, enter number of lines. मैंने यूजर से पूछा कि कितनी लाइंस उसने राइट करनी है फाइल में. I use for I in range n. So if n is 2, the 2 time loop will be executed, and inside the loop I will get one variable str input, enter string, enter line, and after that here I will use variable str. Before that I was using constant value, but now I am using here the variable. After that I close the file, I run the program. Number of lines, I want to write 4 lines. Wait 1 minute, I am using here after that I want to use /n for changing the line. Otherwise line will not be changed automatically. Number of lines, I want to write 4 lines. First line, this is computer period. There is a one error. Write function will accept only one argument. So what I am doing here, I will write /n in next line. First I will write str. In next line I will write /n for changing the line. Number of lines 4. First line, this is computer period. We are using Python. Python is high level language. It is very famous. So look at here. There is no any error. I open the file. Because I have used here append mode, the previous data remain in the file and new data added. So Kshitij, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, look at here the coding. So this is the coding data. Now I discussed here write function. तो write function का ये यूज है, इसको आप note down the coding. It is a very simple, easy. You can easily understand this. So note down the coding. Now after that, after read, there is another function that I'm going to discuss here, that is called write lines. Beta, write mean we can write only a string, but in write lines we can write a list. तो लिस्ट को अगर आपने राइट करना है तो आपको राइट लाइन लगाना पड़ेगा. So I am saving this program. I am creating a new program. I will use here write lines. So now I open the file. I am using new one. I want to go create a new file, and I am using here writing mode. I create a one list. This is English period. This is plus 2a. This is theory period. So I have one list. So what I'm doing here, I'm using here write function. So I use here write function and write L. So I execute the program. So there is one error. Now, Bhumika, unmute yourself. Yes, Kamya, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes sir.
Error कौन सी है?
सर हमने यहाँ पे राइट फंक्शन यूज किया है जिसमें हम सिर्फ स्ट्रिंग ऐड कर सकते
Very
हैं बट
good.
वी हैव एंटर्ड
Yes, तो इसका मतलब राइट फंक्शन लिस्ट को राइट करने के लिए नहीं है, उसके लिए हमें क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? राइट लाइंस. Now I am again running this program. Oh, very good. There is no any error. And moreover, one new file will be created here. My file. I open the file in Notepad. Look, wait. No, new one. I open the file in Notepad and look at here. Data is here. अब अगर आपने लाइन चेंज करनी होती तो आपने यहाँ पे /n लगाना चाहिए था आपको. /n for changing the line. /n and /n. I am running the program again. There is no any error. I open the file. Look at here. Manvir, any doubt in this? Ishpreet? Ishpreet, concept is clear?
हाँ जी सर.
So who will tell the difference between right and right lines? Ishpreet, explain this.
Sir, when we will use write, then we can only write the lines. But when we
Not
do
lines, or string, beta.
the string, and sir जब हम वो use करते हैं write next, तो सर हम मतलब कि list भी enter कर सकते हैं.
We can enter list. Okay, beta. Good.
Yes sir.
Now these are the only two functions. तो आप इस तरीके से आप write कर सकते हो. Now we want to read the data. So I want to read the data. File is there. New one is file is there, and I want to read the data. So look at here. I'm going to create a program that will read the data from the file. So look at here. First, I open the file in which open name of the file is new1.txt. But remember one thing, I can't use write, I can't use append, but I will have to use R mode for reading the data. I use here f.read function, and after that I will have to store the data in any string. I use it here str equal to, and later on I print str. I run the program. Name of the program is my file 3. There is one error, no such new one.txt. I'm checking this. I'm saving this file in okay, location is different. I'm saving the file in desktop because my text file is in the desktop. That's why I'm running the program. Oh, look at here. This is English period. This is plus 2a. This is theory period. Everything is on the screen. So this is read function. Aditya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept of reading. Ankita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bache. Now, I'm making I'm making some changes here. If I'm using here in the place of printing data, I use here for I in SPR and print I. Now, Kamya, what it means? What is the meaning of this loop? Yes, hurry up, Kamya.
सर अगर जो हमारा जो भी आउटपुट आया था उसमें
काम्या, वो जो आउटपुट आई थी वो स्ट्रिंग थी ना? अब वो क्या
हाँ
करेगा?
जी सर,
जब हमने यूज किया for I in str तो वो एक एक कैरेक्टर पिक करेगा, ठीक है?
यस सर,
तो ये look
यस
at here.
सर,
हाँ, look at here. I run the program. So look at here. It taking one character at a time. Okay. और अगर
ओके
मैंने
सर,
अभी अभी आपने अनम्यूट नहीं करना, अपने को म्यूट नहीं करना. अगर मैं यहाँ पे कंडीशन लगा दूं इफ I dot is upper to tell me what happened.
सर जो हमने वो 3 स्टेटमेंट्स एंटर की थी लिस्ट में, उसमें जितने भी अपर केस कैरेक्टर्स थे सिर्फ वही प्रिंट होंगे.
Very good, good beta, good work. Only capital letters. So this is the concept. Note down this. पेपर में कई बार क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. अभी हमने +2 के पेपर में क्वेश्चन डाला था कि आपने टेक्स्ट फाइल में से फाइल को रीड करना है और सिर्फ कैपिटल लेटर्स डिस्प्ले करने हैं. So look at here. Yes, there is one doubt. Avi.
सर सर जो हमने आर यूज किया वो रीड मोड के लिए है.
हाँ, रीड मोड के लिए. अगर डाटा राइट
सर अगर हम रीड कर रहे हैं तो फिर ये राइट कैसे कर रहा है, उसको डाटा को मॉडिफाई कैसे कर रहा है अगर हम कर ही रीड रहे हैं?
नहीं, अभी कंसेप्ट तो समझो. डाटा फाइल में पड़ा हुआ है, हम उसको रीड करके जो कैपिटल लेटर्स है ना वही डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं. हमने रीड सारा कर लिया,
ठीक है,
सारा रीड कर लिया, एसटीआर में सारा कुछ
Okay.
पड़ा हुआ है, पर हमने डिस्प्ले कौन सा किया है? जो
हाँ जी सर.
अपर केस है.
ओके,
ठीक है. आई में एक एक कैरेक्टर आ रहा है, ठीक है. पहले टी आएगा फिर एच आएगा. हमने चेक कर लिया कि जहां पे अपर है तो डिस्प्ले करे, अगर अपर नहीं है तो डिस्प्ले नहीं करना.
ठीक है सर.
तो नोट डाउन दिस. सो
रीड मोड में उसको मॉडिफाई नहीं कर सकते ना डाटा को?
हाँ, we can't change the data, we can't add the data. Okay बेटा.
हाँ जी सर. ओके सर.
So note down this, and tomorrow we will continue with this topic, very interesting topic. And और जो +2 का जो आपका प्रैक्टिकल होगा फाइनल, उसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चैप्टर. So I think there is no any problem here. I'm closing the meeting and